Hey, what's up everybody? Casey Johnson out here at Rainier Dodge in beautiful Olympia, Washington. I want to show you this gorgeous 2021 Ram Rebel with the Ram Bar, the Toyo wheels, the nice running boards, light bar on top, and yeah, just a really nice and affordable four-wheel drive off-road package. So we ended up doing, obviously, the wheels and tires are 20-inch wrapped around with Toyo rubber. Really like how they came out. The black running boards, the black Ram bar on the back, and those that giant light bar on it as well. So a lot of illumination off-road, you know, easy eye strain. You can see right here how the LED lamp wraparounds happen on the headlights. I'm going to turn the lights on real fast so you can kind of get an idea what that looks like. So there it is, bright as bright can be. The camera doesn't really do it justice, obviously, because of the flickering LEDs. That's kind of weird, right? But it does not look like that in person. It's not exactly a strobe, more like a refresh. But anyways, HIDs, and then that light bar on top is ridiculously bright even in daylight. It's going to put out about 14,000 lumens of light. So check us out, Rainier Dodge, 360-754-5550, or online at rainierdodge.com. Thanks for watching. Gorgeous truck.